Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. If you're new here, my name is Rabika Jamir and I make food videos. It's been like 1 week since I haven't uploaded any videos. I was busy in some other work, so I was not able to make. So well, today I'm here with another video and it's a very special recipe for me. Let me show you what is it. Of course, pork recipe is very special. So today I'm going to make pork recipe. I'm not going to tell you in what style I'm going to make. First, let me show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients. I've already shown you that I'm going to make pork. So in this pork, we will first marinate it. So the marination masala I will show you first. Kashmiri mirch powder. This will make a very good color. Red chili powder. A little bit of masala, meat masala. Haldi powder, jeera powder, this is dhania powder, this is black pepper powder, ginger, garlic, green chilies, lemon and 1 tomato. By the way, I'm using this lemon, so I'm using only 1 tomato. If you are not using this lemon, you can use 2 medium size of tomatoes. So first of all, what I will do, I will chop this all. This is a very good chopper. It's very handy. If you want to buy this, the link is in the description box, so click that link and you can buy it from there. Ginger, cut in small size. Add all the green chilies. I forgot to keep the onions. 1 medium size of onion and small size onion. By this chopper, it's finally chopped all these green chilies, garlic, ginger, onions. I really love this chopper. Now we will do the tomato also. We will just keep it here. Now we will add all the masalas for marination. Kashmiri mirch powder. This is not hot. It's just to give color. Red chili powder. Meat masala. Dhania powder. Jeera powder, black pepper powder, and half spoon only. Dhania powder, salt, lemon juice, and little bit of mustard oil. Just thoda sa. And add this chopped onion, green chilies, ginger and garlic. Now mix it very nicely. Okay, all the masalas are mixed properly. Now at least keep it for 1 hour. If you can keep it for 2-3 hours, then it's much better. But minimum 1 hour you should keep aside. Well guys, it's been like 1 hour and our marination is done. Now I'm going to fry it. But one thing, Diwali time bomb bishi phati ase. But one thing, don't add any oil because the oil that will come from the pork fats, by that you can fry it. If you add any extra oil, then it will be too much extra oil, and then the oil that is coming from the pork fats, then it will be too much of oil. So don't add any oil, just roast it and the oil will come out by itself, and just fry it from that pork oil. Today You have to bear that क्या है पटाखा sound. दिवाली time आज ना इतनी मिली पटाखा भी फुटी है boom 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 boom. No oil. Add the marinated pork. Keep it in a low flame. See these fats. From these fats, the oil will come. Cover it and from time to time stir it. And then let it be. Aya, gentlemen, pataka laga sound do. See, slowly the oil is coming out. Okay guys, it's been like 10 minutes I have fried this pork. Now we will add water. Remember to add hot water only, don't add cold water. Now this will cook like at least half an hour. After half an hour, if you feel that meat is still not cooked, you can cook for 10 more minutes. But at least half an hour you have to cook. Oh my god, pataka to. Dang dong ding dang kore ase. Okay guys, it's been like 20 minutes. Now I'm going to add this tomato. I'm going to add a little bit of water. More than 30 minutes I have cooked this. Now like 10 more minutes I will cook. Altogether like 50 minutes I have cooked this pork. Like 10 minutes without adding the water, I fried it, and after adding the water I cooked it like 40 minutes. So it's like 50 minutes, yeah. When you're cooking pork, you should cook it very nicely. So our pork recipe is done. I won't dry all the water because this gravy I'm going to eat it with rice. Wow. Smell bhi. Okay, cover gurbo and then off the flame. Now after some time I'm going to eat. I have this dosa batter, so I'm going to make dosa. Okay, now it looks at okay, now flip it over. Maybe next time I will show you how to make dosa batter. Aji ni bini to kinya dosa bunai itu sabi. Okay, one dosa done. Let me first taste this masala. This is dosa, it's very crunchy. I like it crunchy, so patla se kiya maine. Pork fry and dosa. What a combination here. Masala. It's so tasty. Meat pick tum bhal cook hoise. By the way, especially in our house, like when we are frying any meat, like we usually use dhania powder and meat masala. If it's pork and other meat, then meat masala. Chicken, then chicken masala. But today I've added so many masalas, so it's very tasty. And by the way, like if you want to add elaichi, long and dalchini also, you can add that also. It's so tasty. Like I said, you don't need to add any oil. Just while marinating, add just little bit of oil. You can even avoid that also. No need to add oil at all. Okay guys, it's so tasty. In front of camera, I'm not going to enjoy it properly. So, imantaki kuruma. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe it, share it, like it, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.